Back in your lives, ladies and gentlemen, findyourfx.com and Bulletproof Traders, providing this exclusive top-level market analysis in real time today on the menu. Crypto portfolio breakdown and market watch list. And we're going to be looking at 5 assets, and I'm going to even throw in another one as a benchmark. But I want to start off with breaking down our positions in the market. We have 2. One of them is the dog coin, and you already familiar with this one because we established this short position probably about a week ago. And you can see that over the last 6-7 days, there was not much to write home about. The market is kind of stagnant. And I feel like, this technical correction has started, but it's very, very mild so far. And I feel like there's still more downside potential in the pipeline. Hence, we're still in short position on the dog coin. Now, we're aiming pretty close. I mean, the profit target is not ambitious at all. It's local. It's short term. We're talking about the key level support of 36.33, and potentially we're also looking at 0.33. So you can see the target, our take profit order, sits at 36.33, which is not too far ahead, right? But I feel like price action can go beyond, and potentially a little bit later down the road we'll incorporate the 33 level, which is a Fibonacci projection 161.8, taken off the previous opposite move. So from the bottom, beginning of December, 3rd of December, all the way to the top, 8th of December, applying 161.8 projection will put you right here at 33. Also happens to be where the previous major low is. So I definitely expect the dog coin to keep pushing downwards, although it did take a break of about a week where you can see almost a flat line, right? So yeah, that's where we are with this one. By the way, stop loss level is at 47 right now. The second position I want to mention, also we have an open position on the Cardano. This one is actually fresh. We started off with this one a couple of days ago as price action was starting to slide below 108.35. 108.35, that was our trigger to fire off the first trade, and that's exactly what happened. Because if you think about it, ever since the 24th, 23rd of November, price action's been trading back and forth inside a defined range. I really like the way it kind of turned around right off 2150, and we were here to talk about it, and we were calling it out, right? And we had a beautiful short position straight to the target, 93.50. That was really good. That was a really strong move, a single day nosedive that we secured that profit with 93.50 as a target. But a few days later, price action turned around and started to march forward. And the fact that it didn't take the previous low with that drop, right? That drop to 93.50, didn't take the previous low. That's a little bit suspicious to me. Also, as far as this range goes, this trading range, it's still pretty young. So I don't think it's up for a breakout or a breakdown, but more just continuing trading sideways casually. Now, since it didn't take the previous low and then went straight up, turned around and started to slide below 108.35, tells me that this trading range is still underway and price action is now on its way down. Since it's coming from the upper section, I feel like that push upwards was a technical correction to that big drop that we were participating in and taking profit, right? So now I feel like price action is going to continue on the way on the downside make contact with 93.50 again, and this time we'll penetrate into the lower section and try to chase the previous low. Now the green dotted line you see here, that's going to be our final destination, also one of our profit targets. That's 84.60. That represents a Fibonacci projection 123.6%, taking off that technical correction from bottom to top. That's the previous opposite move, from bottom to top. 123.6 right here also happens to be slightly below the previous major low, and I think price action is going to chase that low, right? As part of that trading range, as part of that sideways movement, I don't think that's coming to an end soon. Again, this could be considered as the technical correction we're talking about, where the market is in right now. So these are the two positions we have.